So left hand side here is sine 12, sine 48, sine 54. Okay, you need to prove that this product is equal to 1 by 8. Now see, this is all a product. So you change it to a sum first. Take half and take the first two signs together. Okay. Now what you do is you change this product to a sum. We know that 2 sine A sine B formula, sum product to sum formula is cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. This is your product to sum. Okay. And just hold on. So now we shall use here cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Okay, into sine 54 remain as it is. Okay, so this will now be half cos minus 36 degree minus cos 60 degree. Now see, sine 54 can also be written as cos 90 degree minus 54. I'm changing everything to cos. So this is half cos of minus theta is cos theta. Therefore, this can be written as cos 36 degree minus cos 60 is half cos 36 degree. Okay, so this is now half. If you multiply everything, you get half cos square 36 degree minus half. Okay, so you know that cos 36 degree, I told you to remember sine 18, cos 18, sine 36, cos 36. Cos 36 degree is root 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay, you simply need to put this value here, half root 5 plus 1 by 4 whole square minus half. Okay, now we shall only simplify this. So this is half of is a plus b whole square, a square, root 5 square is 5,
5 plus
plus
2
1
root 5
plus 2ab is 2
plus
root
2 root
5 into
5
1 divided by
by
4
16.
by 16, yes, by 16 minus half. Now you take the LCM. This will come to half 6 plus 2 root 5 by 16 minus half. Okay, now this is half cos 36. My mistake here. If I am multiplying cos 36 everywhere, so this should be half cos 36. Okay, it should be half cos square 36 minus half cos 36 degree. Now this is fine. So this is root 5. Put the value of cos 36 here also. So you get root 5 plus 1 by 4 minus, you get here root 5 plus 1 by 8. Now you take the LCM. or let me just finish this step, root 5 plus 1 by 8. Okay, so now you take the LCM, half, 16 is your LCM, 6 plus 2 root 5
5
minus
minus
twice
2
of
root
root
5
5 plus 1,
minus 2.
half,
How, sir?
what how?
Minus 2.
Now you open the brackets, minus 2
So
root
it
5
will be minus 2.
minus 2.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, okay. Minus 2 root 5 minus 2. Yes, that's an all the time.
And this is plus 2 root 5 minus 2 root 5, they cancel. So you get half of 6 minus 2, 4 by 16. So which now is,
1 by 8.
which is equal to your right hand side. Okay, so this finishes your this sum. Next I'm going to do number 38 and 39 both.
So this is the last exercise.
Yes,
This is the last exercise. After that, we will start equation of straight line.
yes. Trigonometrical equations and all I'll do later, and they would actually, these are not important for commerce also. I will just touch upon these topics, trigonometrical equations and everything. They are more important for science, not for commerce. 38. Given here, question is cos alpha, cos 2 alpha, cos 4 alpha, cos 8 alpha is equal to 1 by 16. You need to prove this. We start from the left hand side. And also alpha is equal to 24 is given to you. You start from the left hand side. Left hand side is equal to cos alpha, cos 2 alpha, cos 4 alpha, cos 8 alpha. Okay. What you do here is you write, you know that sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta, right? You see a cos alpha here. Okay, so what you do here is you try to bring this cos alpha, only this cos alpha, into this form, 2 sine theta cos theta form. So what you do here is you multiply, you write here 2 sine alpha cos alpha. Although sine alpha is not there, but you write 2 sine alpha cos alpha. So what extra have you added? You have added this 2 sine alpha extra. Okay, so what you do here is you divide this by 2 sine alpha. Okay, now we can write it this way, and the other terms you write it as it is, cos 2 alpha, cos 4 alpha, and cos 8 alpha. Okay, so now what you do is 1 by 2 sine alpha. This 2 sine alpha cos alpha is sine 2 alpha by this multiple angle formula. Okay, so you get sine 2 alpha, cos 2 alpha, cos 4 alpha, cos 8 alpha. Okay, now what you do here is you again bring, if I, this, you see this part, sine 2 alpha cos alpha, if you see this part, okay, okay, sine 2 alpha cos alpha, if you see this part, what is missing here? Again, from the multiple angle formula, only 2 is missing here. Okay, so you bring a 2, 1 by 2 sine alpha cos alpha, you write as it is, half of 2 sine 2 alpha cos 2 alpha. Okay, and this 4 alpha and 8 alpha remain as they are. Okay, now what happens? This becomes 1 by 4 sine alpha.
Sine alpha.
And this 2 sine alpha cos alpha can be written as sine 4 alpha. 2 into 2
And
alpha, 4
4
alpha, 4 alpha, right?
yes. Yes.
So now what you do here is cos 4 alpha you write as it is, cos 8 alpha you write as it is. Okay. Next what you do here is the same technique you apply. 1 by 4 sine alpha. Again you take a half here. Okay. And you write this as 2 sine 4 alpha cos 4 alpha, and this cos alpha remains as it is. So this becomes 1 by 8 sine alpha. Okay, and 2 sine 4 alpha cos 4 alpha become cos 2 into 4 alpha, which is 8 alpha. Okay, and this sorry, sine 8 alpha, not cos, sine 8 alpha, sine 2 into 4 alpha, which is 8 alpha, into cos 8 alpha. Again, what you do here is you take half once again,
Half once again. 2
and you take
sine
there
8
2
alpha
sine 8 alpha cos
cos
8
8
alpha.
alpha.
So this becomes
Sine
1 divided by
16 alpha.
16 sine alpha, and this becomes sine 6 sine
Sine 16
16
alpha.
alpha. Okay, now what happens, also what you see here is alpha is given to be 24. Okay,
4. Yes,
alpha
sir.
is given to be 24. So you can either put the value of alpha and use negative and associated angles. Okay, or better still, what you can do is here alpha is equal to 24 degree. Okay, now this can be written as 24 into 15 is how much? 24 into 15 should be
24 into 15, 240 and 120. 240 and 340.
24 into 15, 360. Okay, so
So 360.
15 alpha is must be equal to 360,
Oh, 240 and 120.
right? That means what can you write here? That means 16, you can 15 alpha is equal to 360. You can write as 16 alpha is equal to 360 degree plus
First
alpha.
alpha.
You can write. So therefore from here you get 1 by 16 alpha into sine 16, 1 by 16 sine alpha. Now 16 sine alpha can be written as 360 degree plus alpha.
Degree plus alpha.
Okay, now this can be written as 1
First
by
quadrant
16 sine
490.
alpha. You can write this as 4 into
Sine
90,
alpha.
4 into 90 degree
Right.
plus
Plus
alpha.
alpha.
That means
Sine alpha.
this is an even multiple here. The sign will remain sine. Okay,
Sine
1 by 16 sine
and
alpha,
first quadrant.
sine will remain sine, and the angle is in the first quadrant, which is positive. So this will become simply sine
First
alpha.
quadrant positive.
So this will cancel here. So
1
you'll
by
get 1
16.
by 16, which is equal to your right hand side. Okay, you
RHS.
can either do this way, or what you can do is you can put alpha is equal to 24 degree here, multiply, and then use negative and associated angle, and then you will see that alpha you can put 24 also here, and then you will see they will cancel also. You can do it that way also, no problem. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so that finishes off with this sum. Let us see the next one. So let us see the next one, which is number 39. I said number 39. Okay, so you have to prove here cos 12, cos 24, cos 36, cos 48, cos 72, cos 84 is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of 6. So let us start from the left hand side. This is exactly a similar problem. Cos 12, cos 24, cos 36, cos 48, cos 72, cos 84. Okay, so what you do here is you divide this by 1 by 2. Sign is missing. You add a sign, sine 12. 1 by 2 sine 12. and you write this as 2 sine 12 degree cos 12 degree, and others remain as they are. 24 degree, 36 degree, 48 degree, 72 degree, cos 84 degree. Okay, so this is 1 by 2 sine 12, and this is 2 sine 12 cos 12 is double of 12. So sine of 24 degree, double of 12, and the others remain as they are. Cos 24, cos 48, cos 72 degree, and cos
Sir,
84 degree.
cos 36.
Okay,
Sir, don't write it like this.
which one?
Cos 36 is here not written.
Cos 36. Oh, cos 36 I missed. Okay, cos 36, cos 48, cos um, sine 24, cos 24, cos 36 degree, cos 72 degree, cos 84 degree.
Cos 84.
So now what you do here is you take 1 by 2 sine 12 degree, and again you take a half. 2 sine 24 degree, cos 24 degree, cos 48 degree, cos 36 degree, cos 72 degree, cos 84 degree. So this becomes 1 by 2 square sine 12 degree, and this 2 sine 24 cos 24 combined to give you a sine double of 24, which is 48 degree, and the others cos 48, cos 36 degree, cos 72 degree, and cos 84 degree. Okay, again you take a half. 1 by 2 square sine 12 degree and a half, and you have 2 sine
2 sine
48 degree
48 degree.
cos
Cos 48 degree.
48 degree, cos 36 degree,
86 degree.
cos 72 degree, and cos 84
84.
degree. Okay, so this becomes 1 by 2 cube sine 12 degree. 1
Number
by
2
2
cube
cube
sine 12.
sine 12 degree, and this becomes sine double of
Again
48.
say
Double of 48
yes.
is 96 degree.
96.
Okay, 96 degree, cos 36 degree,
36.
cos
Cos 72
72,
degree.
cos 84
Cos
degree.
84 degree.
Okay, now what you do here is 1 divided by 2 cube sine 12 degree. This
Again take half.
sine 96 degree can be changed to cos
Cos
of sorry, not cos, but in fact sine of only sine 2 into 90 degree minus
plus
96 degree.
yes, minus 96
Second
degree.
quadrant, angle in the second quadrant, sine is positive, even multiple, so sine remains the sine. Okay, so 2
Yes.
into 90 minus 36, and the others you write as they are: cos 72 degree, cos 84 degree.
2 into 90 minus 96.
Yes,
So it will be the first quadrant. Yes, a positive.
second quadrant. 2
How is
into
the second quadrant?
180 minus some angle is second quadrant. 2 into 90.
So but it is, but it is 96
2 into
degree means
90 here, see. 2 into 90. This is what? 0 to 90.
yes, sir, 90 to
This is
180.
90 to 180. So
Yes,
2
sir,
into 90
180
means
minus
2 into 90
96.
means 2 right angle rotation, right? the second
Yes,
quadrant.
yes.
So this is
Okay.
can be written as sine 180 minus 96 is how much? 84. Cos 72 degree
Plus cos 72 degree
cos 84 degree.
plus
Now again
82
you take
degree.
a half. So 1 by 2 cube sine 12 degree and you take a half. And you combine this sine 84 and cos 84. So 2 sine 84 degree cos 84 degree and this cos 72 you write as it is. So what you get? 1 by 2 to the power of 4 sine 12 degree. And this 2 sine 84 cos 84 combined to give you a sine double of 84. What is the double of 84? 168. 168 degree cos
Cos 72 degree.
72 degree. Okay.
2 into 90 minus 22. Wait, 12, 12. 2 into 90 minus 12.
So this is
It will
1 by.
be sine 12.
Have you forgotten anything here? (168) can be written as 2 into 90 minus 168
90 minus 168.
cos 72 degree
Cos
cos
36.
36 degree. Okay, so this you will get 1 by 2 to the power of 4 sine 12 degree and
Sine
into
12 degree.
sine 12 degree cos 72 degree cos
Cos
36 degree.
36
So what happens?
degree.
This sine 12, this sine 12, they cancel. So you're only going to get 1 by 2 to the power of 4 cos 72 cos 36 degree, isn't it? So what you can do here
Yes.
is you can take a sine 36 here. Okay. In fact, you can take you have 1 by 2 to the power of 4 left here. So now what you do is you take 1 by 2 sine 36 in the denominator, and in the numerator you combine cos 36 and sine 36. Okay. Cos 72 remains as it is. So you get 1 by 2 to the power of 5 sine
Yes.
36,
Sine 36 degree.
and this is becomes sine double of
Sine
36, which is
72.
72
72 degree.
cos
Cos
72.
72 degree.
So now what happens? This becomes 1 by 2 to the power of 5 sine 36 degree, and then again you take a half 2 sine 72
2
degree
sine 72 degree.
cos
Cos
72 degree.
72 degree.
So this becomes 1 by 2 to the power of 6 sine
6 and
36
36
degree,
and
36 degree
sine 144.
sine 144 degree.
144.
Now this is 1 by 2 to the power of 6 sine 36 degree. 144 can also be written as 2 into 90 degree minus 144,
90 minus 144.
which is 136, not 144. 2 into 90 minus 36 degree. So this is 1 by 2 to the power of 6
To the power of 6 sine
sine
36
36
sine
into sine
36
36,
into sine 36.
which
Cutting
is equal to 1 by 2 to the power of
by
6,
2 to
which
the
is
power of
equal to
6
right hand side.
RHS.
Okay, so this is what your multiple angle is all about. Okay, so this is, I'll stop here for today. Okay, 9:40 almost.